Laticrete 254 Platinum, the ultimate one-step, polymer fortified, thin set adhesive for all your tiling needs.
Whether it's interior or exterior installations, Laticrete 254 Platinum delivers exceptional results every time. Let's explore the outstanding features and benefits of this remarkable product. Laticrete 254 Platinum is perfect for thin porcelain tiles. It's also suitable for natural stones, porcelain and ceramic tiles, quarry tile, pavers, and brick. You can even tile over existing ceramic, porcelain, and stone surfaces *, saving you time and effort. With its exceptional adhesion and workability, Laticrete 254 Platinum ensures a strong bond with porcelain and glass tiles. It also provides incredible adhesion to exterior glue, plywood, and concrete. Laticrete 254 Platinum surpasses expectations, offering unparalleled bond strength and exceptional resistance to high shear forces. Laticrete 254 Platinum excels in both submerged applications and external cladding of large format tile and stone. Its outstanding performance in these specific areas ensures reliable and durable results for your tiling projects. Laticrete 254 Platinum exceeds industry standards. Additionally, it holds certifications from GreenGuard, DCL, and KEBS, ensuring its quality and environmental friendliness. Now, let's walk through the simple application process of Laticrete 254 Platinum. All surfaces should be between 4 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. Before applying, ensure that the surface is structurally sound, clean, and free from dirt, oil, and other contaminants. Rough or uneven concrete surfaces should be smoothed using latex Portland cement underlayment. To prepare the adhesive, mix approximately 4 to 4.2 liters of clean, potable water with 20 kilograms of Laticrete 254 Platinum. Adjust the water mix ratio based on surface temperature and substrate type. Mix by hand or with a slow-speed mixer until smooth and trowelable consistency. Let the adhesive slake for 5 to 10 minutes. Remix without adding water or powder. Stir occasionally during use to maintain a fluffy consistency. Apply the adhesive using the flat side of a trowel, pressing firmly to work it into the surface. Then, comb on additional adhesive using the notched side of the trowel for optimal coverage. When working with tiles, it's crucial to follow proper techniques for optimal results. Use a notched trowel of the appropriate size to ensure the tile is fully bedded. Spread an amount of adhesive that can be covered with the tile within 15 to 20 minutes. For larger tiles measuring over 200 mm by 200 mm, it's recommended to back butter them. This involves applying adhesive to the back of the tile to ensure complete bedding and firm support. Place the tiles into the wet and sticky adhesive, then use a beading block and a rubber mallet to embed the tile and adjust its level. This will help achieve a secure bond. To ensure complete coverage, periodically remove a tile and inspect the adhesive transfer onto the back of the tile. Make sure the adhesive is still sticky and not skinned over. If the adhesive has skinned over, remove it and replace it with fresh adhesive for proper bonding. Remember, using the right tools and techniques will result in a successful tile installation. Grout installation after a minimum of 24 hours curing time at 21 degrees Celsius. Grout with Laticrete sanded or unsanded grout. For maximum stain resistance, Spectralock Pro Premium Grout. Please contact our